Alright, this is to let you know that now I gotta do my cleanup from yesterday, what I've cut with the chainsaw. So now I'm gonna show you all about it. And this is all the stuff I've been picking up. Medley, just drive along. Hello, Medley. Hey. Hello, Medley. He had to blow his snot right in the middle of the video. He thinks he's cute anyway. So anyway, this is all my mess. We've cleaned up there. Now we're cleaning over here. There's my chainsaw. Some brush pile. We brought a whole pile in the back. And now I got all this to pick up this morning. And we're bringing that way in the backwoods here. See, we put a whole bunch of stuff right there, and I get the shake, and I try not to shake too bad, but there. So now this is all our property. So now we come back, and the home is up there. There it is. All right, so now this is a little tractor I've been using all winter, my little caboose. So now we've got a bunch of stuff to clean up. So this is how it is going. So I'm trying to do something. Okay, so now this is it, and that's what it was all about. All right, we'll see you in the funnies. Bye-bye.